Good afternoon, students. Today we are going with memory part of ICT. You know very well, in computer we can store data in the form of nibbles, bit and byte. Just see the table which is available in front of you. We can find out just table format with some data storage. 4 nibble equals to 1 bit, 8 bit equals to 1 byte, 1024 byte equals to 1 kilobyte, like this. After find out the storage formation of the computer, we can find out the memory part of the computer. In computer there are two types of memory. One is primary memory, another is secondary memory. What is primary memory? Primary memory is a part of the computer which is resided in the computer system or CPU. In primary memory we can find two types of memory. RAM, full form is random access memory. This type of memory also known as a volatile in nature. Because of that, after turn on the computer, all the main file or program file stored in the RAM for temporary basis. After turn off the computer, all the storing information which is available in the RAM is totally deleted. That's why this RAM also known as volatile memory. Another primary memory is ROM. Read only memory. By its name, you just clear about one thing, that this memory used only for reading purpose. Read only memory. There are two types of primary memory available in the computer, which is known as RAM, random access memory. Another is ROM, read only memory. And next is secondary memory. In memory section, secondary memory is available outside the computer, as well as we find out one or two types of memory which is reside in the CPU too. First, going with floppy disk. In the earlier session, we can see that floppy disk is a storage device or secondary storage device where you can store data. Not maximum part of the data we can store in the floppy disk. That's why floppy disk present day is totally obsolete. On that, next is hard disk. Hard disk is available in the CPU. Hard disk is a major part where we can store large amount of data for permanent basis. Next is compact disk or CD. I think you are very much familiar with this word compact disk or CD. CD is a formation of plastic coated with look like a circle, and we can find out this type of CD where we can store data 700 or 800 MB. After that, we are going with DVD or digital versatile disk. This also look like CD, but we can, in DVD you can store large amount of data rather than CD. 4.7 GB more or less we can store data in DVD. Next is Blu-ray disc. In the disc segment we can find out three types of discs: compact, CD, DVD and Blu-ray disc. In Blu-ray disc we can store large amount of data rather than DVD. More or less 16 GB of data we can store in Blu-ray disc. After that, we can find out pen drive. This is a very much popular device, you know very well. Anything if you want to print from other sources, from other computer or cyber cafe, we can collect that information in the pen drive. It is a storage device or secondary memory storage device. After loading the information in the pen drive, we can carry the so that particular pen drive to the cyber cafe for printing the document which as required. That's why pen drive is a very much popular storage and secondary storage device. Next is memory stick. In mobile phone, we can find out memory chip like this, where we can store data. External, we can treat memory stick as an external data, where we can store data in our mobile information or other data in the memory sticks. This is the total part of memory unit, which is very much important for ICT or information and communication technology. Because of that, without this we cannot do anything. Thank you for today.